Hey, back up the plots, but not for long. Henry and Ken's just give me a lift. Ken and Joe, sorry. Taking windmill down. Not windmill, spaceship. I've got it there. Because what I'm going to do, it doesn't turn very fast into slow wind. I'm not happy with it, so I'm going to attempt to add a second pair of blades in here with these. I won't take them home to the workshop and put a second blade on inside. So we'll see how that works out. I'll go and lock up and lovely day today though. Yeah, well, there is these lids off these barrels. So I'll go and lock up. Oh, let's get the nuts out of there. And then we don't lose them. Stick them there. We'll go and lock up. See you up there. Boom. Back home with Parrot. So basically, what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to cut that off there along that lip. And then down there, and then I've got two wedges there, so that's two of my fins that I need, because I've got this lip on. It'd enough match that lip, and then that one there, when I've shaped it down, and that will sit on the back side of this, where it's flat. Can you see what I mean now? Something like that. And that should give me an extra pull round, so I'll not lose as much wind to turn it. That's my theory anyway. Can't lose anything, can we? Put an extra sail on. So I have to wait till Shirley gets up. And I can start cutting that with my circular saw. Got it clamped down ready. So I'll get another 3 out of that one. Well, I'll get 4 out of that one. But I need 3. So we'll see how that goes. Obviously that'll come over to the middle. I was just trying it, but we'll have plenty of material there. So let's see what happens. There you go. About 20 minutes sawing, filing and banging. I've took that edge off there, just have to sand it down with sanding a bit, make it nice and smooth. So that there, that's come out of that. Sand that, shift on a minute. We'll sit somewhere there. Then from the other side, it'll be something like that. Batman. Yeah, so that'll give me extra drag on that thing. Another extra cup on each one to pull that air around. Drag a bit more air in. That's the theory anyway. So now I've got to find a way of fixing that to that. But first, I'm going to make 5 of them. But first, brew. So there you go. It's coming on a bit. Just need a couple of more screws in there. I'm just about to cut these 2 out now, last 2. There, I've got them marked out there. And this phone needs charging, so brew time. Right. Well, as you can see, it's a crap day anyway for up allotment. So I'm glad I was down here working today, up here working today. So that's all 5 of them blades done now. So that's what they look like from one side, and that's from the other side. Now what that'll do now is hopefully give it a bit of extra drag going round. Can you see? They're both basically the same shape. And they've got that cup on there to pull the air around. So hopefully that'll make it spin a bit faster, because it does spin and it does charge it up. So I can't moan, because it's not a wind farm, but I'd like it doing a bit more, so I think that little adaptation there should do it. So I've done, I've put 3 screws in, top, middle, bottom, little barrel, and then tomorrow them can go back on. You see how that works. I was going to spray them, but you know what I mean, I can't be bothered. It's an allotment in it. Just for generating power, not for looking good. But hopefully we'll get them on tomorrow and see how that's spinning. As long as this weather gives up. So I think it's a brew, shower, pub for tea. See you tomorrow.